Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. Have you ever wondered what it would be like if the past had color? It must be a wonderful feeling to take precious memories and awaken them a little bit with colors. Today, let me take you to use Pick Wand to bring old photos back to life with color. First, go to Pick Wand and click on Get Started for free. Then upload the image you want to color and click on the Open an Image button to select the photo. Find the AI Photo Colorizer on the left side of the page. Just wait for a few seconds. The photo will be filled with vivid colors. If the image quality of your old photos is not up to your requirement, you can also choose to do further photo restoration and image quality enhancement. Once you are satisfied with the result, you can click Apply and download the photos. Simple, fast, and free. Restore the color of your photos with Pick Wand. Let you get back your precious memories. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them in the comments section. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and share. Go ahead and give it a try.